Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. As expected, or as usual, is an unusual market, and every expiry markets are coming under severe selling pressure. Last week expiry, you may remember, until afternoon the market was very good, and suddenly one news came: a South Korean market hit the down circuit, and then it fell like anything, and it came closer to 23,800. In fact, the low was 23,810 and the closing was around 23,850. And today also is almost the same. And after hitting 23,810 and after closing around 23,850 last Tuesday, the market shot up in the next 2 days and Nifty went very close to 24,300. And then from there, it came crashing down. And today, the spot I did not watch exactly, but I think at some point of time, it broke 23,850. And closing is 23,865. So it's just 13-14 points from last Tuesday closing. And so this market, there is no hope. I was just joking with my friend. My friend asked me, "Sir, what should happen so that this market can go up?" So I told him, one person's resignation will take this market higher. But if I name who is that, then I will be in trouble. So that is a kind of a market. And look at the TCS Infosys, fall more than 3%. And today, Infosys has made a record. So it has fallen below 1,000. During the last 1 year, the high was 2,000 plus, and now 1,000 is broken. So that means more than a 50% fall. And TCS, the high was 4,500, now is coming very close to 2,000. I think sooner or later, the 2,000 will be broken. So it is the IT stocks that drag the market, then Reliance drag the market, then banking stocks drag the market. At least HDFC Bank, was trying to support a little bit, but all other banks, especially ICICI Bank, drag the market. And the Bank Nifty has fallen about 1,000 points in the last 2 or 3 trading sessions. So this is totally a pathetic market. But however, one good thing is that I told you that Nifty is trading violently between 23,800 and 24,300. So that has been the case. And last time I told you the Nifty was consolidating between 23,000 and 23,500. I think that consolidation lasted only about 8-9 trading session. But now this consolidation between 23,800 and 24,300 is extending beyond 12 trading sessions. So that's number one. And number two, last week I told you, last week one trading day was a holiday. So there were only 4 trading sessions for the last week. But at the money short straddle, it was trading around 400 rupees. That is 24,000 short straddle was trading around 4,400 rupees. And the people who have sold it, so they made a fantastic profit today. As expected, Nifty closed within that range. Right? But for this week, so there is no holiday. So there is a full 5 trading sessions for next week. But look at the 24,000 short straddle. It is not trading at 400 rupees. That is trading only 330 rupees. So that shows that, now the markets are coming to a conclusion that this market is not going to go anywhere. So probably the volatility index has come down for the last few trading sessions. So maybe this is the impact. But the premiums are very, very, very pathetic. Another interesting thing I tell you, Sensex closed around 76,500, 1,500 point up, 78,000 call. That was trading around 40 rupees, whereas 1,500 point down, and that is 75,000 put, that is trading at 10 rupees. So 2 days into the expiry, 1,500 point up, 40 rupees, 1,500 point down, only 10 rupees. So this is, how to sell a put option for 10 rupees. Who want to take risk, right? And even Nifty also. And look at the Nifty, say for example, 24,000 put option and call option expiring for the next week, right? So just a minute. Okay, for the next week, 24,000 call is trading around 150 rupees, but put is trading at about 170 rupees. So the oddly 20 rupees difference. But remember, the Nifty closed around 23,865. So that means 24,000 put option is 135 point in the money. But that is trading around 170, 172 rupees. So which means that, you hardly pay only 30 rupees or 35 rupees for the time value. So it is completely skewed option prices. Call premiums are very high, put premiums are very, very pathetic. So this kind of market, so do not ever sell the put option. So in case market continues to go down, so the put premiums will shoot up. And today intraday, the markets were very, very volatile. So this market has decided to punish the intraday players, right? And normally what intraday players they do, they sell call option, they sell put option, they put a stop loss. The morning market came down, put stop loss hit, then shot up, call stop loss hit, again came down, put stop loss hit. Wherever you are putting stop loss is getting hit. And so I think intraday players today, they've made some huge losses. Luckily, we escaped. 23,850 put option, we squared it up at 1 rupee, somewhere around closer to 3 p.m. And then that 1 rupee went up to 20 rupees, 25 rupees. So that is the kind of market. So as I told you in the morning, this market is hugely volatile market. So I think now we have to learn to live with this volatility. So never trade short-term options without any stop loss. So better go for a longer dated maturity. So having said this, so markets are hoping that, the markets will turn slightly bullish from tomorrow. So that is why look at the Nifty future premium. So there's a fantastic premium of more than 150 points. Where for the last few months, the premium was only around 100 points. And as I told you, the call premiums are very high. So like Sensex call premium is 4 times the put premium at the same distance. And also remember, I always tell, as and when expiry is very, very bad and closing somewhere near the lowest end of the trading day, then uniformly the first trading day of the new series, uniformly market will rally at least 100 points. So let us see whether that becomes true tomorrow. So if my guess is right, the Nifty should move at least 100 point on the higher side tomorrow. So the FII data is still not out because today is expiry. So there must be heavy volume. So NSE may take longer time to compile the data. So I have some interesting strategies for the next month. So maybe I can share in my Twitter later. So meanwhile, there's only 2 more weeks for my workshop in Chennai. The seats are filling very fast. I think there are only about 10 more seats left. I think this time we have booked a smaller hall. We cannot take more than 50 people. So later you come and ask me also, we cannot accommodate. So those who are interested, please contact our office. The office contact number given in the description. So just to summarize today, a highly volatile market, but still trading between 23,800 and 24,300. So wait for the Nifty to break down 23,800 or to break out of 24,300 on the higher side. So until then, this is going to be a violent consolidation within this 500 point range. But sooner or later, the market has to break out on the higher side. That's my view, but I don't know when it is going to happen. And call premiums are very high, put premiums are very low. So, it is time to be very careful. Don't sell cheaper put options, in case if things go wrong, so you will be in trouble. So these are the summary of my today's video. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.